Today we have an amazing tutorial for you, how to create V2Ray VMess server and set it up on NetMod VPN. We have already NetMod VPN app. Before we start, please subscribe our channel. Now we create the server first. Open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP custom and hit enter. You'll see a list of search results. Click on the official UDP custom website. This is where we'll create our V2Ray server. Once you're on the UDP custom homepage, locate the menu icon. It may look like 3 horizontal lines, also known as a hamburger icon. It's usually in the top corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a list of options. From the list of options, click on V2Ray VMess server. This option allows you to create a V2Ray server that supports slow DNS. When you click, it will take you to the next page, where you'll be asked to select a server location. After selecting the location, you'll be redirected to an account creation page. Enter a username, solve the CAPTCHA to prove you're not a robot, and click Create Now. Within seconds, your server will be created, and the server details will be displayed on the screen. Copy V2Ray server in your clipboard for future use. Now simply open your NetMod VPN app, click upper right 3 dots, expand the list. Click Import from the clipboard. In few seconds, your server imports successfully. If you add custom setting, click pencil icon to open new window, add the valid SNI. If you don't have find SNI from UDP custom website, simply go its menu, click tools, search SNI like whats.com, use C subdomain have. Then click save button to save. Now simply click play button to connect the fast and secure internet connection. If this tutorial is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.